Welcome to Cece's Playhouse.
That looks so cute on you, but where are the shoes? Didn't shoes come with it? Whoa, that looks so cute! Twinsies! I'm not joking. A whole shipment just came in. Wow! Come in! Hey, whoa! Hey, buddy! Hi there, can I help you? Yeah, we're looking for school clothes. Oh, we've got so many cute things in right now. I don't know. I feel like I've seen all this stuff before. I want something new. Kind of like her outfit. Whoa, that's cool. Oh, yeah, that's a cool outfit. Hey, do you have that in stock? No, that's brand new. We don't have that. But we did just get a whole shipment of Fashion Crush in. You did? Oh, we want to see it. Wow. Please tell me you're not joking. Please tell me you're not joking. I'm not joking. Look. A whole shipment just came in. Wow. Can we open them up and try them on? Of course. Let's do it. Well, I love your new outfit. Thanks. It's brand new. It's Fashion Crush. Really? Yeah. That's what we're gonna try on.
Hey guys,
Hey, Punk Boy. What are you guys doing?
just out school shopping.
Yeah, that's what we're doing too.
Haven't really found too much. Most of the girl stuff. Not a lot of cool stuff for boys, you know?
We're gonna check out this new line of clothes called Fashion Crush.
Yeah, well, good luck with that. Catch you later.
Okay, this is the new LOL Surprise Fashion Crush. I'm so excited. Have not opened one of these yet. I guess we can use our spyglass and see if there's messages. There's like a hat and an A on this one. Let's see. Oh boy. Oh, I ripped it. That's okay. Look, these are what the options are. There's a glam club, athletic club, sleepover club, and swim club. Oh my gosh, look at those. Okay, I want to open these. There's a couple. I want that one. I want the Ray-Bans.
Just open them.
Oh, there's a spyglass in here too. Look at that. All right, this is it. It's like a little laundry basket. Look at that. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's slime inside, which I kind of knew. We got a bathing suit, I think, and floaties. Okay, so to get it out, I think you gotta like squeeze it out, right? Oh my. This is crazy stuff. So we got the swimsuit, little stars, super cute. Oh, look. That's a cute one. Oh, I see sunglasses. Cute ones. Look at that. That's from the athletic club. It's like a little referee outfit. It's the watermelon bathing suit. That is adorable. What is this one? Oh, it's another dress. A pink one. Look. This one is super cute. A skirt and pink shoes with light pink pom-poms and like a zebra jacket. That is super cute.
Dibs. Dibs on this one. Hey, I'm schoolgirl shopping. You're supposed to be here just for support. Sorry, I want it.
Okay, another hot pink one. Let's see what's in it. Oh, it's a dress. It's a dress. Yay. Oh, yeah. Look at that one.
That is the one I want to try on.
Next one. Oh, a gold one. Yay. Is it golden slime, I wonder? It is golden slime. Ooh, glitter, star confetti, Ray-Bans, and a sparkly, super sparkly swimsuit. Ooh, another gold gold ball. It's a different one. Yay! I'm so excited. Which one is this? Cherry. It's a glitter skirt and shirt.
Dibs on that! Dibs, dibs, dibs! Sorry, I called it first. Mine, 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 mine.
Another gold one. Whoa. I think we got the ultra rare one. It's the glitter outfit. Oh boy. We're gonna have to go try that on. Oh, I think we have our first duplicate. Looks that way, doesn't it? We got the jammy set again. That one's really on there. Okay, I hope this is not another duplicate. There's so many ones that we still don't have. It's not! Look! Oh, it's another sports outfit. Oh, I think we have another duplicate.
That's okay, that's good. Now we both can have that dress. Yay, now I can get it too. Well, we can be twinsies.
Last one. Oh, look! A new dress.
Oh, I want that one too. Time to go try on some clothes. That looks super cute, Luxe. You should totally get that. Next one. Oh, wow, that looks so cute too. I love those shoes. How's it going in there? It's going really good. Oh, that dress looks so cute on you. Okay, have you tried the red one on yet? No, I'm gonna do that one next. Oh, that looks so pretty. I love the shoes. So far, I think I want everything I've tried on. Okay, well, I'll be over here if you need anything. Thank you. Oh, Luxe, that looks so cute on you. But where's the shoes? I thought, didn't shoes come with that outfit?
Turns out there was something cool in here for boys.
Those look so good on you, punk boy.
Yeah, they're pretty cool, alright. Catch you later.
Okay, Unicorn, it's your turn to try on some stuff. Okay, I can't wait.
Oh my gosh, girls, those dresses look so cute on you.
Twinsies! These dresses are so cute. I'm so glad there were two. Me too. You're my best friend, Unicorn. Oh, you're mine too, Luxe. BFF. Okay. Be right back. Oh, that looks so cute. I love that little outfit. You should totally get that. Okay, I think I have one more to try on. Okay, last one. Be right back. Oh, yeah. Unicorn's an MVP. Ha. You like it? Yeah, it's totally cute. It looks really good on you. Alright, we have one last thing to try on, and then we're done. Let's go eat. I'm starving. Me too. I just love these bunny slippers. They are so comfy. I was totally thinking the same thing. Twinsies! You know what would be fun to do in swimsuits? Swim in a slime pool.
Oh, girls, the suits are so cute on you guys.
I love them! Me too! We should go swimming.
There's only one pool around, though, and it's filled with slime.
Woohoo!